Remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are used. Be careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. You can join our referral program. Just refer others to earn and withdraw money. Click here to register your account and refer others. Earn and withdraw without investment. Okay, this is my referral link. As you will see here, S stands for Sol, M stands for Max, G stands for Global. solmaxglobal.link. This is my username. Okay, just click here to register your account and join our professional team. We welcome new people to join our professional team. Same link is here. Click here to register your account and join our professional team. This registration link you will find in the description of this video. Types of income. Daily profits on ROI, return on investment, 1 to 2% for 200 days. Direct bonus 10%, binary bonus 10%, and matching bonus. You must level and see both sides, left and right side. Then you will get 50% of only referral bonus. Level 1 20%, level 1 direct bonus 10% and binary bonus 20%. Level 2 15%. Level 2 means referrals of the referrals commission. Okay, you can refer someone and you register using your referral link, and after that if further advertise is referral link and refer other, then is referral link anyone use, register and invest, then level 2 commission, level 2 is get 20% on the first level and you will get level 2 15% referrals of the referrals commission in this way. And level 2 of this person referrals, if invested, then you will get 10%. If this person referrals will invest it, then you will get 5% bonus. In this way, it will become 50% referral bonus. It's a good opportunity of this company. You also earn with more earn with your referrals. If you build up your own team and start earning, then you will earn more with your team. In this way, referrals of the commission. Most great and best exchange is Bilaxy. As you will see here, it's 24 hours trading volume of SMG 10,369 USDT, greater than two exchanges, FatBTC and Catex. Then it's great. Okay, you buy and sell SMG tokens in Bilaxy. Okay, this is my registration link. Use this link to register your account and buy and sell, withdraw or deposit SMG tokens in here, because its 24-hour volumes are greater than other two exchanges. It's good. Okay, this is my referral code 1552175. As you will see here, when I am clicking here, this is the 24 hours volume. Okay, and this is, enter your email address here. Okay, and choose password, and referral code is here. Okay, when you are using this referral code, okay, you will get bonus and transaction fee discount. Okay, either you want to trade or withdraw deposit. Okay, and here is SMG tokens trading 24 hours volume 10,374. It's great than other exchanges. Okay, then use this exchange. Okay, today I am showing you how to withdraw your SMG tokens from SMG.TO app. Okay, in previous videos I have already told you how to install SMG.TO app. Okay, and how to withdraw SMG tokens from Solmax group company to this wallet. Now I want to withdraw SMG tokens from .to wallet to Bilaxy Exchange. Okay, see how to do. First I am clicking here. After opening, okay, I am typing here the pin code. Okay, after typing here pin code, just click here to login. Okay, after logging in, as you will see here, I have received 5,000 SMG tokens. Okay, now first I am opening what? Bilaxy. Okay, Bilaxy Exchange. Okay, type here Bilaxy. I have already installed Bilaxy Exchange app onto this. Okay, this my referral link you will find into the description of this video, this Bilaxy Exchange. Okay, just click here to open it. After opening, just click here to login. Okay,
I am logging. Okay, now just click here to sign in after typing password. Okay, now just click here to sign in. Okay, click here to sign in. After clicking here, okay, it's some verifications, like click here to send and check your email and Google Authenticator app. Okay, after typing code, just click here to sign in. Okay, I have logged in successfully. Okay, here is pin verification. Okay, after typing pin verification, everything is correct. Now, okay, I am clicking here mine. Okay, click here to mine. After clicking mine, now clicking here to deposit. Okay, and type here onto the search box SMG. Okay, after typing SMG, as you will see here, click here to deposit. Okay, as you will see here, see the description. The deposit address is not the same for all assets including ERC20 token, otherwise you may lose your assets. Okay, this address you must be note SMG BEP20. Okay, this wallet address, this network supporting is what? BEP20. You must be noted. Now click here to copy. After copying this address and paste, but why I am using Bilaxy Exchange? Okay, I am telling you first. I am done my this transferring. Now click here to send it. Okay, total amount is 5,000. Okay, I am typing 83 all amount. Okay, in previous videos I have already told you, make sure some BNB into the for transaction fee of SMG dot this wallet. Okay, SMG.TO Wallet, BNB, $5 transaction fee. Okay, okay, type all amount here 0.83 and paste that address here. Okay, paste it here. Okay, address is 100% correct. This address will received from which? From this Bilaxy Exchange. Your final step is what? Click here to send it. As you will see here, successfully broadcasted to blockchain. You will get transaction details shortly. Okay, click here to OK. Okay, I am telling you this BNB. Okay, this balance is what? For wallet SMG.TO Wallet for transaction fee. Okay, BNB balance. Now come again onto a Bilaxy Exchange. Okay, click here, Bilaxy Exchange. Okay, but see why I am using this exchange, Bilaxy Exchange. If I am typing here SMG, click here, I am checking this 24 hours volume. 24 hours volume is what? 6,209 USDT. This is greater than other exchanges. Okay, so I am selecting this Bilaxy Exchange. 24 hours volume is greater than other exchanges. Why it's greater? It's good for us when it's greater. Why it's good for us? Because our order is executed immediately when volume is high. Okay, so I am selecting this exchange. The 24-hour volumes is greater than other exchanges. Which token? SMG token. Okay, every token trading 24-hour volumes is different. Okay, now click here to check you have received. Okay, you have not received. Again, check this. As you will see here, your balance is now, payment is in processing. Okay, click here to check it. This is the payment amount. Okay, and it's processing. Type here SMG. Okay, SMG balance is 0. Okay, take 1 minute, 2 minutes approximately. Okay, wait it. Okay, now I am checking. I have received SMG tokens. Just click here to balance. Okay, after clicking here, as you will see here, I have received 5000.83 SMG tokens. Okay, and USD value is 33 because its price is down now.